In more breaking news, SpiceJet has announced 22 additional flights from Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Kolkata for December 7 and a few other regions as Indigo continues to face operational crisis. Arzu, back to you on this breaking news. Give us some more details.
But yes, with the Indigo is struggling to stabilize the operation at the airport. And as we also know, the Indigo is one of the biggest airlines which carries a lot of passengers in a single day and to make them reach to their destination. And after the delays, cancellation, now SpiceJet has stepped in to provide the support or to fill the gap by announcing additional flights, and around 22 additional flights for today has been run by the Indigo, by the SpiceJet, and these flights will operate from Mumbai, Delhi, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Delhi, and select tier 2 cities to fill that gap and to provide the additional support to the passengers also, so that they can book those flights. As we also know that the prices have also surged in the past few days because of the high demand, and SpiceJet says that the decision was made to support the passengers movement during the high disruption and ensure the connectivity is not severely impacted across the major routes. So definitely aviation experts says that this move could temporarily ease the congestion, but also put additional pressure on the SpiceJet to manage the increased capacity during a busy travel period. But yes, now the SpiceJet has
All right, Arzu,
come
thanks for
forward.
those details. And I have, of course, a caller calling in from Pune. This is Dr. Pallavi, who's getting in touch with us at this point. Dr. Pallavi, let me just tell me about what the problem is that you're facing when it comes to Indigo.
My in-laws are traveling tonight. I mean, on 8th of morning, they are traveling to. They were supposed to travel to Madurai through Chennai. So the connecting flight was there. But now Indigo has changed the flight. Now they will be traveling from Pune to Bengaluru, Bengaluru to Madurai. And I am trying to check in. I am not able to check in when they have given us a link to connect and to accept the option they have given. When we try to get this option, the access is denied. And whenever I try to call up on their customer care number, I'm not able to reach, or otherwise the voice is so breaking that you cannot understand what they are saying and you cannot answer. So that's the problem I'm facing. So it's not sure for now, since my in-laws are aged. 78 years is my father-in-law. So I am really in worry how they'll be going and what. I mean, throughout night they'll be awake, and till morning probably they will get the plane or may not get the plane.
Dr. Pallavi, we completely understand your situation, and thank you for joining me on the broadcast. And viewers, look at that. We were sharing this distress call from Dr. Pallavi. She's calling from Pune, and she's discussing what the problem really is. This is about aged parents who are stranded. And this is a very, very problematic situation, viewers, and this is absolutely shocking what has happened in the past few days when it comes to this crisis with Indigo, of course. And we have since morning been getting you experts trying to decipher why this problem has really occurred. Is it the government's concern, or is it, of course, the airline, which is, of course, in the middle of all this conspiracy? And now, of course, we as viewers, we're going to try and get you some more callers to speak about their distress, of course. But look at those visuals, viewers. People stranded, and of course, flight tickets are getting expensive. When it comes to the other airlines, we're all, of course, wondering how this problem and when it will get sorted out. And of course, there were many other things that were being discussed in the morning about this particular problem, and we were all trying to figure out with the experts who had joined us. We had pilots, we had aviation industry experts trying to tell us, we were trying to figure out who really holds the primary responsibility for the failures that we've been seeing, especially this one when it comes to the aviation industry.